Good morning, everyone. We're taught to turn over our power to forces outside of ourselves. Today I'm here to show you guys my results of experiment number 7. My results, this is the second time I've done this experiment. The first time I did the experiment, I got pretty good results. For some reason, it didn't work out the same time, or the same way this time. So if you guys recall, the 7th experiment was the superhero principle. And what we were to do was to, well, the theory was to, that your thoughts and your consciousness impact matter, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to plant 2 rows of green beans, and we're going to focus our thoughts and our consciousness on one row to have that row grow faster than the other row. The hypothesis was if I focus my attention on a row of green bean seeds, I can make them sprout faster. That was the intention. So the time required was 7 days. I'm coming to you at 9 days. We had some issues, but it's okay. It's all right. I'm sure you guys, if you did the experiment, had some good results. Hopefully you guys are better gardeners than I am. Apparently I'm not that great of a gardener. But the approach was, I will focus my attention on a row of green beans. I will send those seeds positive vibes and expect them to be influenced by my energy. There's also a quote here I would like to share with you guys, and it is by Bruce Lipton, PhD. He's an American cell biologist, and he says that people need to realize that their thoughts are more primary than their genes because the environment, which is influenced by our thoughts, controls the genes. So very cool, compelling stuff, very cool quote, I enjoyed. So here it is. This is what I came up with. I literally have nothing sprouting. And yes, there's seeds in there. There are seeds in there. However, nothing is sprouting. So I personally am going to continue to water it daily and see what happens. But like I said before, I did see results in the previous experiment I did. No worries, we're going to move on to experiment number 7. Experiment number 7 is the Jenny Craig principle. The Jenny Craig principle. I'm sure there will be many of you women out there who might enjoy this this experiment, and hopefully you'll get some really positive results from it. So I have it written down here. Basically what the Jenny Craig principle is, the theory is that your thoughts and consciousness provide the scaffolding for your physical body. So are we seeing the connection here, you know? The fact that our thoughts control our reality? Yes. And the question is, does what I think affect my environment, specifically the food I take into my body? The hypothesis, if my thoughts and consciousness are in a continuous dance with my environment, the food I eat can't help but to be affected by my thoughts. By changing what I think about and say to my food, I will be healthier, and for the sake of this experiment, lose at least 1 pound. 1 pound within 72 hours. So the time frame is 72 hours. I'm going to mark, today's date. You're going to mark your current weight and then your expected weight after 3 days. Just write those 2 weights down. The approach will be to change nothing about your diet. Continue as if you're, just continue eating the way you have been. The only difference is when you do eat, deliberately and consciously send the food positive, loving thoughts before ingesting it. Thank it for nourishing you and expect it to contribute to the betterment of your body. I've actually heard of this experiment, or this practice done elsewhere, and I've never heard of getting negative results from it. So this one should be fun. I haven't done it yet. I will do this one as well. So try though. I guess the thing about this one is to try to stay consciously aware for the next 72 hours of what you put into your body. Well, you don't have to worry about what you put in. Diet's going to stay the same, but be consciously aware of what you think about. You got to think about the positive vibes, send it positive vibes, because I never do that. It's not a habit, so you might forget to do it yourself. So yeah, that is the experiment. I'm really looking forward to seeing if any of you guys get results. Losing 1 pound. What if you guys lose 2 pounds? 3 pounds would be amazing. A pound a day. If you guys were to lose a pound a day with this method. So leave your comments below. Let me know what you guys think of the past experiment as well as this experiment. And I can't wait to read the results. And I'll be looking forward to finding what my results are as well. So, thanks for watching. I hope you guys are having fun with these experiments. And don't forget your ABCs. Always be creating. I'll see you guys later. Take care.